as of August 5. Base sa DMA namin kanina, ang hindi natapos ay 22. Meron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Day off bukas, si Villamor. Pending na iwin na customer niya, wala. Pending area namin, maayos naman po.
Mahal talaga.
Parcel for pick up na bawas. Lima from yesterday. Nadagdag today. Meron kaming one, two, three, 4. Sa store visual naman po, maayos naman po yung mga display. Stock room. These are printed 708. Sa cash count tali. Sa expenses approved naman po. Issued receipt merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sa consumable merong DTF E4, DTF Sable E4, DTF meter. Key holder bukas si Ma'am Sheila, si JPL. Email na sagutan merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sa page naman 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Sa Viber naman po, merong 1, 2, locker, ready for dispose na po yung basura.